third year OC State University, and today our group gonna explain about the Glasgow scale, which is basically the neurological tool that based on the assessment of verbal response and eye opening, which helps to detect the patient's consciousness.
Glasgow Coma score, I am going to explain eye opening in GCS. The Glasgow Coma score eye opening assess a patient level of consciousness based on their ability to open their eyes. The scoring as follow. Spontaneous, we will give 4 points if patient open eyes without stimulation. And then sound. For sound, we will give 3 points if patient open eyes in response to voice. And then pressure. For pressure, we will give 2 points if patient open eyes in response to painful stimulation. And 1 for none if patient does not open eyes at all.
In verbal response we have a 5 points, like fifth point come to oriented, 4 point confused, third point word, second point sound, and first is none. If patient is lying, I am going to explain 5 points oriented, in which there is known who they are, where they are, I am asking time, etc. And in 4 point there is a confused, in which I have to ask answer and question, but is disoriented manner. In the third point there is a words, in which I am going to ask a random speech not making sense. In another is sound, we have to give moaning, and none. Patient is non-conscious, unconscious. There is no response in none.
Glasgow Coma score, in which I am going to explain motor response. It is assist with the help of patient's ability to move with the help of stimuli. It is from score 6 to 1. Score 6 is given the highest score and 1 is the lowest score. Score 6 is given to the patient when he obeys for the command for the normal stimuli like lifting of the arm and hands. Score 5 is given for the localization of pain, in which patient purposefully moves to stop the stimuli of painful sensation. Score 4 is given for the withdrawal of pain, in which patient pulls his arms in the opposite direction of the pain. Score 3 is given for the abnormal flexion, in which patient flexes his arm abnormally. Score 2 is given for the abnormal extension, in which patient extends his arm in the abnormal condition. And score 1 is given for the non-response, in which patient do not respond to any kind of stimuli and do not move his arm or any kind of movement. The motor score is the more definitive score for the GCS, in which we can see if the patient is severely brain injured or not.
In Glasgow Coma scoring, we can give by 3 points: mild, moderate and severe. In mild we can give 13 to 15 points, in moderate we can give 9 to 12 points, and severe 3 to 8 points. It depends according to patient response, and now we are giving assessment on patient.
For the GCS score, first we go with the eye opening. When I'm coming, there is no any spontaneous response, so we go with the second stage, that is for sound. Hello patient. The patient respond to the sound. For the score for the eye opening is 3. Then we go for the second step, which is the verbal orientation. Hello. What is your name? Where are you?
The hospital.
When you come to hospital?
Around 3 o'clock.
So the score for the verbal response is 5, which is oriented. The patient is fully responded to me every question. Then we go with the 3 step, which is the motor response. And in the motor response there is totally 6. First we go with the obey command. If he respond to my command, then we give the command of 0.6. Elevate your arm. Elevate down your hand. Elevate your leg. Put it down. Then put your arm like this. Yeah, okay. In a point for a motor response, the patient obey all the command, so we give the total 0.6. Now for the GCS score, we combine all the 3 points, which include the eye, verbal and motor response. In eye, the patient has the 3. While in verbal response, the patient have the 5, and in motor response, the patient have the 6. So the total GCS score is 14, which is mild.
Hello. Hello. We can see that in a spontaneous he didn't respond, and then in sound also he didn't respond at all. In pressure he responded, so its score is 2. Then verbal response we can check also, like hi, what's your name? What is your name? Who are you? Where are you? Is it day or night? So in oriented he didn't respond, and in also confusion he didn't respond, but in word he is something saying in word, like anything word. So its score in verbal is 3. Now we can do in motor response. First we check the commands that he is obeying the command or not. Like patient, lift your right leg up. Patient, lift your left hand up. Patient, any movement. So we can see that he is not responding, he is not obeying the command. Now we can go to the next step, that is the localizing. In localizing we can see, like I am giving him pressure, then he is doing the localizing. So we can give the score is 5. So now we can add up the total score, like in eyes opening the score is 2, and in verbal response we can see he's responded in the number word, that is 3, and in the motor responses he responses in the number 5, that is the localized. We sum up the total, then we got the total Glasgow Coma score is 10, and that is under the moderate region.
Hello. Hello. As we can see, he is not responding to spontaneous, or he is not responding to any sound, or he is also not responding to any pressure. So in eye opening we will give him none. It means 1 score. Then we will move on verbal response. Hello? 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 Where are you? Hello? Hello? Do you know where are you? How you came here? Hello? Hello? As you can see, he is also not responding on verbal response, like he is not oriented responding, or he is just pronunciating some words, and so we will give him 2 marks for that. Or you can say he is just producing some sounds, so we will give him 2 marks. Then we will just move on motor response. Can you just lift your right arm? Hello, can you just lift your right arm? Can you just move your fingers? He is not responding or obeying any commands. Now I will give him pressure. As you can see, he is not localizing, he is just trying to withdraw. So we will give him 4 marks. So on adding, like on eye opening, eye response, we give him 1 marks. On verbal response also we give him 2 marks. So on motor response he is just withdrawing his hand, so we will give him 4 marks, and the total is 7. So he is having severe Glasgow Coma score.
So these were the topics related to Glasgow Coma scale. Thank you so much.